As of now, ma'am, wala pa po tayong verifiable information as to the reported na warrant of arrest issued by the ICC.
Ma'am, may paggalaw dun sa mga tauhan po sa Davao. Tumambak yung mga pulis daw po doon sa Davao Airport noong Friday, Saturday. May kinalaman po ba ito? Possible na
Linawin lang po natin ito, ma'am. Nakausap po natin yung mga taga Davao po, and according to them, yung mga movement po ng ating mga kapulisan doon is just part of the simulation exercise and relating po sa kanilang security preparation for Davao. And we have to stress the point po na this is not only limited po sa Davao, even yung other regions po ay nagkakonduct po ng simulation exercise, communication exercise, and other tabletop exercise. Again, as part of our security preparation for election po. This has nothing to do doon sa mga issues relating doon sa alleged issuance po ng warrant of arrest ng ICC.
Ma'am, kung hindi po galing sa ICC, ang PNP po ba ay may hawak na anumang warrant of arrest kaso locally dito ni dating Pangulong Duterte?
Wala po. Wala po tayong hawak na anumang warrant of arrest issued by the local courts against sa dating Pangulo po.
Kung wala pang yung warrant of arrest, ano yung mga paghanda ng PNP just in case lumabas ito anytime?
Well, on the part of the PNP ay dadaan tayo sa proseso. Kung meron pong ihingin po ng tulong yung ating Interpol through their National Central Bureau, and then the PNP has a legal obligation to reciprocate yung courtesy na ibinibigay po sa atin ng Interpol. If you may recall po, may mga instances po tayo na may mga warrants of arrest po na na-issuehan po yung ating local courts po at nagtago po sa ibang bansa, and through the Interpol mechanism, humingi po tayo ng tulong, and since it is a member state po doon sa, just like the case, classic example po yung case po ni Alice Guo po. Nagtago po siya sa Indonesia, and since Indonesia is a member state, ay humingi po tayo ng tulong sa Interpol, and true enough, through the help of the Interpol po, ay na-effect po natin. At naiuwi po sir dito si Alice Guo, and we implemented po yung warrant of arrest sa kanya. And since the PNP is a member of the International Criminal Police Organization, then we are duty bound to accord the same courtesy accorded to us by the other foreign states po.
Sakaling lumabas yung warrant, magtataas po tayo ng alert.
Wala po tayo sa ngayon na planong magtaas po ng alerto, at wag nating pangunahan sir yung proseso, but on the part of the PNP, we are prepared for any eventualities po in case po na meron pong tulong na hihingin sa atin ng Interpol po.
Mami, lumabas na kasi na info na meron daw 7,000 police na deployment ng PNP for the arrest of former President Duterte.
Wala po itong katotohanan sir. Like I said, kung may mga nakikita po tayo na mga movement and mga skills at mga movement ng mga tao natin on the ground, this is still part ng ating security preparation for election.
Sabi niyo kanina walang verifiable information on the warrant, ICC warrant. Wala rin bang ginagawang coordination ang Interpol with the PNP?
As of now sir, wala po.
Paano po ba yung process pag ganyan?
Well, ang proseso po niyan, sir, if ever po ay foreign jurisdiction po ay mag-i-issue po ng arrest order or summons po, and since yung foreign jurisdiction po ay wala naman pong enforcement mechanism sa ibang bansa po, they have to course through their request po sa ating international Interpol po. At ang Interpol po, normally po as a matter of procedure po ay mag-i-issue po yan ng either blue notice, red notice po, that this is just an international alert po. Hindi po ito arrest warrant. Linawin lang po natin yung ilalabas po ng Interpol po. At through their National Central Bureau po, at nagkataon po dahil ang membro po ang Pilipinas ng Interpol, meron po silang National Central Bureau, and doon po sa kanilang mga main office po sa France, normally papadala po yan as a matter of procedure po dito po sa kanilang National Central Bureau, and then yung National Central Bureau naman po ay magpapadala po yan ng alert po sa mga law enforcement agencies including the PNP, advising us na itong particular na tao po na ito ay being sought for investigation or meron pong arrest order po.
So walang blue, walang red whatsoever?
None so far, sir.
Ma'am, just in case na matanggap ng PNP yung supposedly warrant, anong unit po ng PNP ang makumuha sa pag-survey?
Any unit po of the PNP can effect the arrest warrant po if in case there will be one po. But again, since this is a warrant issued by the foreign jurisdiction, then we have to study kung ano po yung magiging proseso. But like I said before, ang ating pong magiging basehan po dyan will be the action to be undertaken by the Interpol. If there will be request for police assistance in implementing these warrants po, then the PNP is obligated to honor that obligation under the principle of reciprocity, sir.
In preparation, meron totoo po ba na may nagpo-mobilize? Kasi may mga kumakala sa social media na 7,000 daw ipapakala ng PNP.
Well, sinabi ko na po kanina, there is no truth to that. Probably they just misinterpreted some of the movements in other regions na meron po mga ongoing simulation exercise relating po sa ating preparation for the national and local election na come May po.
Ma'am, if ever po, dito po ba, saan po dadalhin ang Pangulo, ang dating Pangulo?
Well, let us not jump into conclusion kung saan natin dadalhin po. We just have to wait for the process to proceed po. It's too speculative po na magsabi po ako kung saan po siya dadalhin sa ngayon.
Pero part of the considerations po yun.
What do you mean part of the
Yung
consideration?
Sa custodial center.
We will cross the bridge when we get there, sir. Pag nandito na po at meron na pong mga request for police assistance po through the Interpol, let me iterate, through the Interpol, because the ICC has no way to directly giving orders sa PNP or any other law enforcement for that matter po. So wala po tayong magiging papel po in case maglalabas po ng arrest warrant po ang ICC, because what we are assuming that they will seek the assistance po ng Interpol.
So now you're saying PNP is duty bound to enforce any Interpol request.
That is correct, sir. Under the principle of reciprocity, like the case nga po ni Alice Guo, yun po yung classic example na sinasabi ko na the same mechanism was used by the Philippine National Police when we monitored the presence nga po ni Alice Guo sa Indonesia. Through the Interpol, we sought assistance through the Interpol, kaya po napabalik po siya dito, and nang bumalik po siya dito, doon po natin inimplement ang warrant. So if a foreign jurisdiction nga po ay ang mag-i-issue po ng arrest order against anyone, not only dito sa speculation na meron na pong inisyo against kay dating Pangulong Duterte, this only applies to everyone kapag ang foreign jurisdiction po ang nag-issue ng warrant at dadaan po sa Interpol mechanism, then the PNP is duty-bound to honor or accord the same courtesy just like they did sa party po ng Pilipinas.
Just to follow up on sa ICC po, just in case, let's say, may i-request naman ang ICC from the PNP na either records or anything that can help in their investigation dun sa drug war, is the PNP also open to cooperating with them?
We cannot directly transact po sa ICC. We have to cross through the proper channel po.
Ano sinabi nyo kanina ang PNP ay prepared for any and all eventualities? Ibig sabihin ba nun meron na talaga nakalatag na plano? I know it's incumbent upon the PNP to make preparations, pero meron na po ba talaga? Usapang kayo,
Napapag-usapan po yan because may mga bali-balita nga po, but as to relate this doon sa mga sinasabing may mga 7,000 na readily or at least deployed na for purposes of serving this warrant, wala pa po tayo sa ganong estado. But syempre napapag-usapan po yan because we are hearing some news po. And the PNP is looking at the development with respect nga po dito sa possible issuance nga po ng warrant of arrest against the former president.